just joking with you. We're not going bowling. You don't even know where we're going, guys! I'm having a freaking great day so far. Or 6 hours, it wasn't too bad. And the interview went pretty good this morning. I didn't get to vlog that part. I don't even remember if I vlogged this morning.
Take a selfie.
Roger's getting hurt down there.
Not really, right? Can't really tell.
Not from your angle. From my angle, you can see. Boom! Baby! Oh my god, it's traffic. It's so horrible. All this traffic. All this freaking traffic. I need to jump to the next lane. I really need to jump.
No, I can't really see. Because of the damn snow.
Hey guys!
Look at that.
Is that breaking news? Is that Superman?
Shut up. Trying to help you vlog. Ooh, is it the 2 tours or what?
What's going on here? Oh, it's the Austin Fire Department. Oh, Nambe, it was nothing. I thought it was Superman. There's an over here doing a selfie.
Can't really.
Where are we gonna go? I don't know where we wanna go.
Right there.
Seriously? I don't know. What do you think? Can't turn it.
Oh! I want to take out my seatbelt. Drive
You told me.
dangerously.
You told me turn in there, and I just turned randomly. Like randomly, seriously. What am I supposed to do? Expect you to say, "Oh, turn here," like way before. Like, no, you told me when I was on top of the corner. That's what you told me. Turn.
No, you know where I'm going.
You said turn, and I turned.
Hey, close.
Yeah, it closed. It closed.
I'll just take a picture of going through.
Okay, guys, so I gotta get down. Golden Girl Corral. Oh, I'm probably not gonna start doing that anymore.
What?
Hashtag it. Like, post it
What?
on the videos.
What videos?
My YouTube videos. No more free name branding. Except besides when the baby comes out. Roger! What's somebody named Roger? Outside.
What danger?
Well, guys. We're all freaking gonna go inside and freaking eat. I don't know how you feel. How do you feel about it? Last time I wanted to come, but she did not want to come. It's fine. She didn't want to come because she was not dressed, and she didn't want to show up here to this place because she wanted to go dressed up all nice. She wanted to go dressed up all nice. And I didn't care. She wanted to go all nice and neat. So, I don't know, guys. So, let's see when we go inside and see what we end up getting. I sure don't know. I just don't know. Lucky, look at that, guys. Oh, steak. Oh, chocolate fountain. Chocolate fountain. I see a chocolate fountain. I don't see it anywhere. I'll see you guys in a bit. Bunch of waters. Did you drink water?
Yeah, that's why I've been cleaning.
Oh, I gotta make money tonight. I got a challenge tomorrow. Whee! Leg challenge. Oh my god. Burning. Look at that, guys. That looks so good. I haven't eaten this in freaking forever. And look at that. Freaking nice steaks. Haven't eaten freaking steaks in a long time, haven't you? fucking awesome, man.
It's been a long time.
I know, we haven't eaten this place. I think we haven't eaten this place like in 3 months or 4 months, 5 months maybe. I think last time I had it when I had a job. Seriously. So, I'll see y'all as soon as I'm done, guys. All this is gonna be shot down. Look at it, guys. This is what happens when I get bored. Fan art. Yo, guys! I hope y'all enjoyed that little art drawing, because I know I did. Did you?
Yeah.
Did you like a picture of me? Yeah, seriously, guys. Hope y'all enjoy that. Make sure you follow my news Instagram. And I gotta go buy those things. So I gotta go live in a little bit and do that. So go buy wax strips. I gotta go buy them. They're not even expensive
Oh.
for their challenge. So I will see y'all in a bit. Y'all can't even see me. It's so dark. That's how black I am. Well, guys, we are back once again. We are coming here to. I need to get my challenge. So what we're gonna be doing for tomorrow's live feed on YouTube. So I need to get my new thing, my challenge I'm gonna do tomorrow. So hopefully y'all enjoy it. Win. Yeah, so I gotta go pick up the challenge. I gotta go work on, and then yeah, it is. Yeah, I gotta go get my challenge. I'm gonna go get. So I can go work on that right now. So and then we'll get back on right now. Kitty, kitty, let's pet the kitty. Pet the kitty!
Where would it be at?
I don't know, let's walk. Come on, kitty. How come you're not purring?
What?
You're supposed to purr. You know how to purr?
Look at the costume. The babies. A pumpkin. But do you know how old our baby would be by next Halloween?
A year old.
No. I think 9 months.
April, May, June, July, August, September, October. 6 months.
6 months! Oh! Babe, we should buy one now.
What?
When we find out what we're having.
No, I don't think so.
You know all this shit's gonna go on for sale after Halloween? If we find out what we're having by then,
Yeah?
we could buy something. That'll be 6 months.
Okay, let's go. Let's walk. Okay, guys, we are now leaving Wally Mart. Look at that, there's a little green umbrella. Full-fledged face. Oh, I need to have that. Where's the receipt at? I have it. Nah, I have to take out my receipt. I go back to my wallet. I'll see you all outside, guys. Guys, I am back. Like I said, I was coming back. So now we are leaving Walmart. So now we're just gonna go home. We park over here? Did we? I don't even remember where we parked. Damn. I'm freaking tired, guys. Really. I guess I gotta go back home and I gotta go take care of that, and then I gotta go drive Lyft tonight. So I gotta do that, so I gotta take off. So I will be seeing y'all guys later. So, yeah, so I'll see y'all in the bar.